We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. Our staff was really excited to hear about the great job we've done. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in the highest quality. It's our guarantee. We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.